Jai Hind, dear students. We are moving to the last topic in our accountancy class, the very important area that may be asked for 6 mark or 4 mark question, that is terms of issue of debenture, how to adjust the interest on debenture, and how to write off the loss or discount on issue of debenture. Don't forget to watch the full video. You will get clear cut explanation with the problems. So there are different ways are there for the issue and the redemption of debenture. That is terms of issue of debenture. That is terms of issue of debenture. Normally, debentures are issued at par and redeemable at par. Debentures are issued at par and redeemable at par. So remember the journal entry, bank account debtor. The entry will be bank account debtor to debenture application and allotment. First entry you have to write bank account debtor to debenture application and allotment, and that is for receipt of application money. When we receive the application money, entry will be bank account debtor to debenture application and allotment. Then when we transfer that amount to debentures, debenture application and allotment account debtor, and debenture application and allotment account debtor to debentures, the money is transferred to debentures account. So remember, it is the issue of debenture and at par and redemption, repayment of debenture at par. That is the case, first case. Remember all these two entries. Second case, issued at discount. Debenture issued at discount but redeemable at par. It is issued at discount but redeemable at par. So first entry will be the same. Bank account debtor to debenture application and allotment. Bank account debtor to debenture application and allotment for the receipt of application money. And the second entry will be that will include discount on issue of debenture account. We have to open that amount to adjust. Discount amount will be adjusted to the discount on issue of debenture. So the journal entry will be debenture application and allotment account debtor, debenture application and allotment account debtor, discount on issue of debenture account debtor, discount on issue of debenture account debtor to debentures. We will solve on problem to learn the whole concept related to terms of issue. Please remember the journal entry. And here the amount of debenture transferred after adjusting the amount of discount. And the third case, issued at premium. Debentures are issued at a premium but redeemable at par. Redeemable at par. First entry, it will be bank account debtor to debenture application and allotment. We will receive the application money and allotment money with the premium, and then we will transfer it to the debenture account and securities premium reserve account. Debenture account and securities premium account. So entry will be debenture application and allotment account debtor to debentures to securities premium account. That allotment or the amount will be transferred to debentures and premium amount transferred to securities premium reserve account. And fourth case, issued at par. The debenture is issued at par and redeemable at premium. It is redeemable at premium. So first entry will be bank account debtor to debenture application and allotment. Bank account debtor to debenture application and allotment. Debenture application and allotment account debtor loss on issue of debenture, because when it is redeemed at premium, that means we are giving back more than actually what we have received. So that is a loss. It is a loss that will be transferred to loss on issue of debenture account. So that amount of premium on redemption, that will be a loss, that will be transferred to loss on issue of debenture to debentures account to premium on redemption of debenture. My dear students, every time if the debenture is redeemed, repaid at premium, that amount will be transferred to a new account, that is premium on redemption of debenture account, premium on redemption of debenture account. So remember the second entry, debenture application and allotment account letter, loss on issue of debenture account letter to debentures to premium on redemption of debenture account. Fifth case, issued at discount. The debenture is issued at a discount and redeemed at a premium. The amount of loss will increase because it is issued at a discount. Maybe 100 is the face value, issued at 95, so there is a loss of 5, and redeemed at premium, maybe redeemed at 110, then amount of loss will be 5 plus 10, 15. So that also increases. The first entry will be bank account letter to debenture application and allotment account. And when we transfer the amounts, debenture application and allotment account letter, debenture application and allotment account letter, loss on issue of debenture account letter, loss on issue of debenture account letter to debentures account to premium on redemption of debenture account, premium on redemption of debenture account. So the loss account will include, loss on issue of debenture will include the discount amount 5 and premium on redemption of debenture, that also will come into loss. And the last term, issued at premium. Debenture is issued at a premium but redeemed at a premium. Redeemable at premium, issued at premium and redeemable premium. So first entry will be bank account letter to debenture application and allotment account, bank account letter to debenture application and allotment account, debenture application and allotment account letter, debenture application and allotment account letter, loss on issue of debenture account letter, loss on issue of debenture account letter to debentures account, to debentures account to securities premium account, because the debentures are issued at a premium, that amount, the premium amount will be transferred to securities premium, and the premium at the redemption, that will be transferred to premium on redemption of debenture, premium on redemption of debenture. So my dear students, these are the different cases of terms of issue and its redemption. Actually, here we have written only the entry related to its terms of issue. The entry for the redemption of debenture include debentures, debenture holders account, debentures account letter to debenture holders account, and when the amount is given for the debenture holders, so debenture holders account letter to bank. Due entry will be debentures account letter to debenture holders account, and debenture holders account letter to bank when the amount is paid to debentures. So that debenture holders, and that is the entry. Let us solve one problem to learn the concept. Here the 6 cases are there. Issue of 1 lakh 9% debenture of rupees 100 each at par and redeemable at par. Each and redeemable at a par. Issue of 1 lakh 9% debenture of rupees 100 each at a premium of 5%, redeemable at par. Issue of 1 lakh 9% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount 5%, repayable at par. Issue of 1 lakh 9% debentures of rupees 100 each at par, but repayable at a premium 5%. Issue of 1 lakh 9% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 5% and redeemable at a premium 5%. Issue of 1 lakh 9% debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of 5% and redeemable at a premium of 5%. So let us watch what are the entries related to each cases. First case, it is issued at par and redeemable at par. It is issued at rupees 100 and redeemable at par. So entry will be bank account debtor to debenture application and allotment account 1 lakh, 1 lakh. And second entry, debenture application and allotment account debtor to 9% debentures 1 lakh, 1 lakh. That is the entry for the first case. Second issued at a premium of 5% but redeemable at par. Issued at 100 means issued at a premium of 5%, redeemable at par. So first entry will be bank account debtor to 9% debenture application and allotment with the premium. So 1 lakh 5,000, 1 lakh 5,000. That amount will be transferred debenture application and allotment account debtor 1 lakh 5,000 to 9% debentures 1 lakh to premium securities premium reserve 5,000. So this is the entry for the second case. And the third case, issue of 1 lakh debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount, repayable at par. Repayable at par. Entry will be bank account debtor to debenture application and allotment. It is issued at discount. So 5,000 will be deducted from 1 lakh. So 95,000. 9% debenture application and allotment account debtor. Discount on issue of debenture account debtor to 9% debentures. Amount 95,000, 5,000, 1 lakh. That is the entry. Remember the amount transferred to discount 5,000. And another fourth case, issue of 1 lakh 9% debentures of rupees 100 each at par but repayable at a premium. Repayable at a premium means there will be a loss. Bank account debtor to 9% debenture application issued at par, so 1 lakh. Repayable at a premium, so debenture application and allotment account debtor 1 lakh. The loss on reissue means repayment, it is 5,000. That premium amount will be transferred to loss. 9% debentures account 1 lakh. To premium on redemption of debenture account 5,000. So that amount premium on redemption, it is the premium amount at the time of repayment, and that is a loss. That amount transferred to loss on issue of debenture also. And the last fifth case, issued at a discount or redeemable at a premium 5%. Issued at a discount, bank account debtor to 9% debenture application. So 1 lakh minus 5,000 is the discount, 95,000. Debenture application account debtor, loss on debenture, loss on issue of debenture account debtor to 9% debentures account to premium on redemption of debenture account. And 95,000 will be coming into the account. Loss amount is 10,000. 1 lakh is the actual amount actually we have to get in debenture account. Redemption is at premium, so 5,000. So the last case, issued at a premium of 5% and redeemable at a premium of 5%. Bank account debtor 1 lakh 5,000, including the premium amount. Bank account debtor to debenture application and allotment. Debenture application and allotment account debtor 1 lakh 5,000. Loss on issue of debenture account 5,000 to 9% debentures 1 lakh. Actual value we have to get. To premium on redemption of debenture account 5,000. To securities premium reserve 5,000. Amount related to the premium. So these are the entries we have to write. They are asking these cases for 6 marks. So definitely you must learn this area by solving more and more problems. So we are moving to the next topic from issue of debenture, that is interest on debenture. Interest on debenture. You know very well the name 9%, 12%, 10% debenture. All these indicates the amount of interest paid for the debentures. the amount of interest paid for the debenture holders. So it is a tax deductible income. Tax deductible income. The government must get the income from the interest on debenture. So entry, general entry related to that debenture interest account debtor, to income tax payable to debenture holders. So total interest will include the amount paid to the debenture holders and the amount of tax paid for interest to the government. And the entry for the payment of interest to debenture holders, that is the entry for due. Interest due entry will be debenture interest account to income tax payable to debenture holders account. When the debentures are getting the amount from the company, entry will be debenture holders account to bank. And also when the company pays the income tax to the government, debenture interest account to income tax payable. That income tax will be paid to the government. So income tax payable account to bank. Income tax payable account to bank. That is the entry for the payment of income tax. And you know very well, the amount of interest will be deducted from profit and loss account every year. So profit and loss account to debenture interest account. It will be shown in the debit side of profit and loss account. So it will be an expense or loss for the organization. Let us learn the concept by solving this problem. Please keep in your mind the entries for the due of debenture interest and entry related to the payment of tax for the government and interest to the debenture holder. A Limited issued 2010 percentage debentures of rupees 100 each on January 2013 at a discount of 10%. It is redeemable at a premium of 10%. Give general relating to issue of debenture and debenture interest for the period ending 31st December 2013. Assuming that the interest was paid off half yearly. So that means interest is given through the debenture holder every year 2 times. Half yearly means 2 times, on June 30 and December 31st. On that particular date, the company is giving interest to the debenture holders, and the tax deducted at source is 10%. The tax given for the government is 10%. We have to write the journal entry for the company. So first entry will be bank account debtor to 10% debenture application and allotment account 1,80,000, 1,80,000. And 10% debenture application and allotment account debtor 1,80,000. Loss on issue of debenture account debtor 40,000. It is premium. 10% debenture account debtor 2 lakh. To premium on redemption of debenture 20,000. It is issued at discount and redeemed at premium. So the loss amount will include the percentage or value of the discount plus premium on redemption. And entry for due entry for the debenture interest and tax, income tax, 10% debenture interest account debtor to debenture holders account to income tax payable. So on the value, total value of the debenture, we are calculating the interest, and it is paid half yearly. So it is on June 30, we are paying the first installment of the interest. So out of that, 6 months interest is 10,000. Total 20,000. How we are getting the 20,000? 2,000 into 100, that we will get 2 lakh into 10% is the interest. 2 lakh into 10%, that is 20,000. So out of that, half year interest is 10,000, and 10% is the income tax. So 1,000. Balance will be given for the debenture holders 9,000. And when we pay the amount to the debenture holders account to bank, we are paying the first installment of interest 9,000. And in December 31st, again the due entry for remaining amount of interest, 10% debenture interest account debtor to debenture holders account to income tax payable amounts are 10% debenture interest 10,000, debenture holders account 9,000, income tax payable 1,000. And when we pay the interest to the debenture holders accounted to bank 9,000, income tax payable accounted to bank, the income tax paid to the government 2,000, total interest into 10%, 20,000 into 10%, that is 2,000. And when we deduct the amount of interest from statement of profit and loss, so statement of profit and loss account to debenture interest amount will be 20,000. So my dear students, in this way we have to record the whole journal entry related to discount on or interest on debentures. That may be asked for the board exam. 4-mark question will be asked. Now the method of redemption of debenture is deleted, so a lot of possibilities are there to ask such type of question. Moving to the last topic, it is a writing off of discount or loss on issue of debenture. Writing off of discount or loss on issue of debenture. When we learned the different journal entry, there will be a loss amount due to issue at a discount and a redemption at premium. There will be some amount of loss in the company due to the discount. It will be deducted from profit and loss account every year. So remember the entry that loss amount will be deducted from profit and loss account every year. So profit and loss account to discount on issue of debenture, discount or loss on issue of debenture. That is the entry to deduct the amount of loss or discount. So let us learn the problem by solving this question. The concept you have to learn. A limited company has issued rupees 1 lakh 9% debenture at a discount of 6%. These debentures are to be redeemed equally spread over 5 annual installments. Show the discount on issue of debenture account for 5 years. So my dear students, actually the depending upon the number of years the debenture issued, within that the company have to adjust the loss amount. Within that particular year maturity period, the company have to write off the amount of loss on issue of debenture. So here in this problem we have to write off the loss within 5 years in 5 annual installments, equal annual installments. We have to write off that amount of loss also. Issued at discount 6% is the amount of discount. So 1 lakh is the value of the debenture and debenture discount is 6%. So the amount of debenture redeem in each year, it will be 1 lakh divided by 5. 20,000 is the amount of debenture we will repay every year. So every year we will repay 20,000, 20,000, 20,000 like that, equal installments. So how to calculate the amount of discount written off? Amount of discount written off. We have to create one table like this. So in the first year there will be 1 lakh total value of the debentures, and we are calculating a proportionate ratio. So this 1 lakh is available for 5 years, and after paying 20,000, remaining is 80,000. That is for 4 years, and the after payment of third installment 20,000, 60,000 will be there for 3 years. After paying the 20,000, the remaining 40,000 will be for 2 years, and in the last year there will be 20,000 to be payable for the debenture holder. Say proportionate, depending upon the number of years, maturity years, the ratio will be created, because in this question 5 year is the period within which we have to repay. So that is a proportion. So total of ratio is 15. Total of ratio is 15. And you know very well the amount of interest, amount of loss is 1 lakh into 6 by 100. 1 lakh into 6 by 100, 6,000. That is the loss amount that we have to deduct. We have to write off that amount within that particular 5 year. 6,000 will be written off. So how to calculate the value to be deducted from first year? The written down value from the first year, 6,000 is the amount of loss into 5. This 5 divided by 15. So 2,000 will be deducted from the first year. It will be written off from the first year. So 6,000 into 5 ratio divided by total ratio 15. Second year 6,000 into 4 ratio divided by 15, 1,600. It's only an imaginary ratio based on the number of years of redemption. And the third year 6,000 into 3 by 15. Fourth year 6,000 into 2 by 15. And last year 6,000 into 1 by 15. So in the third year 1,200, fourth year 800 will be deducted, and last year it will be 400. Let us learn the preparation of account of discount on or loss on issue of debenture. So in discount or loss on issue of debenture account, we will write in the first year the amount of loss. It will be 6,000. Entry will be what? Discount or loss on issue of debenture account at 2 debentures. So 2 debentures 6,000, and the amount transferred to profit and loss that year 2,000. From the table this amount will be taken. 2,000 will be taken. And the balance available after deducting writing off of 2,000 is 4,000. Balance carried on 4,000, total 6,000. That balance is brought down for the next year 4,000. Again we are writing profit and loss. The next written down value, this is the value 1,600. Deducting from 4,000, the remaining is 2,400. That will be brought down for the next year. That year also profit and loss, we will transfer that proportion 1,200 into profit and loss. Balance available 1,200, brought down for the next year 1,200. Again this year we are writing off 800 to profit and loss account debit side. So balance available is 400. That is brought down for the last year 400. And last year the remaining 400 is transferred to profit and loss account. So after this nothing is available. This indicates how the loss or discount on issue of debenture is written off from the profit and loss account. So please remember, sometimes they will ask for 4-mark question, the preparation of these account or journal entry. You have to be very careful. So my dear students, the topic related to issue of debenture is over. Please prepare more problems and work out maximum problems as you are able to do, and enrich your knowledge related to issue of debenture. And good luck for your all exams. Thank you for your support. Thank you so much.